Hello, I'm Raymond Rainey, and I'd like to welcome you to Deerwoode Lodge and Cabins. Located on 175 acres with over a mile of French Broad River frontage, it's a dream for any outdoor enthusiast. Yet only 5 minutes from beautiful downtown Brevard, North Carolina. We can show you beautiful photographs and wonderful video footage of this gorgeous property, but to truly understand Deerwood, you have to meet TM, the man, Bill Mays.
I can't remember what year they gave me a tag to go on the front of my car. And TM was on the call, and they called me the man, because that's...
I don't doubt that one bit.
Well, my goal was to get them there.
You wanted them to be the man too, didn't you?
Yeah.
To talk to a large number of the young men who came to this camp, they would tell you it was very popular and that they gained insight and immeasurable and invaluable lessons here.
And you'd be surprised how you can change a boy's life.
The entire property is in conservation. Basically, what you see here is what you get.
Organic gardening, which it's organic gardening. It's not a little bit of this and a little bit of that.
Were the ponds and lakes here, or did you create those?
The only pond that was here was the one up here, the swim lake. We got 178 birdhouses here.
178 birdhouses.
Yeah.
All of the wood for every cabin goes back as early as the 1920s, and it's felt when you visit.
Mostly was poplar and hemlock. I'm a real land conservation nut. I've planted right at 30,000 trees in my life since I've been here.
Mr. Mays built almost every structure or rebuilt every structure here with his own two hands.
I'm pretty hard-headed and like doing things my own way and working pretty hard and want the people around me to work hard, and if they don't, they need to be somewhere else.
After you closed the boys' camp, you opened up the gym where he's had so many people do fitness here. I understand in the early 90s, you began reconstructing the cabins so that the rest of the world could potentially come and see this gorgeous place. Tell me a little bit about the feedback that you've gotten about Deerwoode Cabins.
It's been good. We've had a real good clientele of people that appreciated that I put it in a land conservancy.
How many years have you been here?
54.
And you came here in 1966.
1966.
Few places can you come that has this many assets and elements of a property. If you would like to be a part of the next chapter of Deerwood, contact me for a personal tour of this truly unique property.